Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Jim Scott's Weather Desk. It is Wednesday, December 24th, and as the Christmas Eve travel ramps up, we've got a split pattern across the country. Wet weather out west, winter impacts in the mountains and parts of the north, and milder air pushing through the central and southern U.S. So stick around as I cover your forecast area. Periods of rain continues through parts of California, Oregon, and Washington, especially along the coast and into the valleys. With the moisture coming in, watch for localized flooding, especially in low-lying areas and spots where you have poor drainage. In the Sierra Nevada and Cascades, the highest elevations, we'll continue to see accumulation of snow, creating slick and hazardous travel through the passes. Let's look at a traveling tip. If you're headed over the mountain routes, check the road conditions and be ready for winter driving restrictions. Across the Rockies, a winter pattern stays active in higher elevation with snow and gusty winds at times. Blowing snow can cause rapidly changing visibility, especially in exposed areas and mountain corridors. If you're traveling through the high country today, allow extra time and consider adjusting travel plans if condition changes. Now the big contrast. The central and southern U.S., much of the south and parts of the plains into the Ohio, Tennessee Valley stay milder than normal for late December. That mild air can mean wet roads instead of wintry roads in the area that might otherwise be colder this time of the year. The bottom line is it'll feel more like late fall than Christmas Eve in many southern and central locations. So no white Christmas this year. West and Great Lake area expect a lot of clouds with a few areas dealing with light snow and a wintry mix, mainly farther to the north. Even light snow can create slick spots, especially early and late in the day when the road temperatures drop. In the northeast, cold air lingers as moisture moves in. Some areas could see light snow and in spots mixes of snow and maybe some ice. That could set a stage for slick travel, especially tonight and into early Thursday. If you're traveling in the Northeast, keep an eye on local advisories because small changes in temperatures can make a big difference. Forecast for Wednesday, now moving over to Indiana and the Ohio area forecast. Well, good morning, Indiana and Ohio. Hey, it's almost that time of year, and let's get our cup of coffee this morning. All right, what we're looking at is a dense fog advisory remains in effect until 9 a.m. this morning. Visibility at 1/4 of a mile and less than if you drive into the dense fog area. An upper level disturbance will bring showers to the region tonight and into Christmas morning. An active pattern will continue into the weekend with multiple rounds of rain. Mild conditions will prevail through the weekend before much colder air mass moves into the region early into next week. Today, like I say, areas of dense fog before 9 a.m., otherwise partly sunny with a high near 48 degrees. Light and variable wind becoming southeast at 5 to 7 miles per hour. And then Wednesday night showers moves into the area. Temperature will be rising to around 51 degrees by 4 a.m. Southeast wind around 6 miles per hour, becoming west after midnight. I am looking at a 90% chance of rain and less than 1/10 of an inch possible. Christmas Day, a slight chance of showers before 1 p.m. Cloudy with a high near 53 degrees. West winds around 6 miles per hour, then switching from the northeast in the afternoon. Chance of rain is 20% and 100% chance of no white Christmas this year. Sorry, folks. Thursday night, chance of rain in the afternoon, cloudy with a low around 38 degrees. East winds around 6 to 8 miles per hour. Chance of rain is 50%. New rainfall amounts less than 1/10 of an inch. Friday, rain continues with a high near 59 degrees. Chance of rain is 70%. Southwest winds at 12 miles per hour. New rainfall amounts less than 1/10 of an inch. Friday night, mostly cloudy with a low around 43 degrees. And then Saturday, mostly cloudy with a high near 56. Southeast winds at 6 miles per hour. Saturday night, chance of rain after 1 a.m. Mostly cloudy with a low around 47. Chance of rain is 40%. And Sunday, a chance of rain, mostly cloudy with a high near 57 degrees. Southwest winds at 13 miles per hour. Chance of rain is 50%. Sunday night, partly cloudy with a low around 33 degrees. Appreciate everybody watches forecast. Thanks for being there, and everybody have a Merry Christmas.